Ya, ako dire. Sa yung punishment. Muragamay ako masulti basta wa pa ko kapaniud to. Pero karon taas-taasan na ako. First, this is a very special moment not only for Jonard and Janet, but for the family of Jonard and Janet. Because every time we have somebody married sa among mga anak, mga apo, mga pamangkin, that's the only time that we gather together. And this is, of course, our advanced reunion because every year we are having our reunion. So, we are very happy in behalf sa family sa Tenorio, Berso, Janet and Jonard, following your Facebook, we know, alam namin kung anong pinagdaanan ninyo. And even we are not around, in spirit, we are in unity with you. Whatever will happen in your marriage life, please do not think of a perfect marriage. There is no such thing as perfect marriage. But what is nice to think about is that we can work for it towards its perfection. So tayo ang gagawa ng perfect marriage. Nobody can do it for you. Kayo lang dalawa. So, what is important is that you always put God first in everything. Not your work, not your status, not even your children. Because we are stewards of our children given by God. Whatever will happen to our children, to our loved ones, they are just borrowed by us. So we have to follow the destiny that will be given to us through our marriage. And marriage is the perfect gift given by God. And we are happy that sa tanan nga mga soul sa kalibutan, kamong soul ang nag-meet. So, kayo talaga ang soulmate. So, congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you very much for that beautiful message, Nina, Dr. Editha Howe. Now, let's go to our ninongs. For a message, may we have ninong Dr. Hector Carbon. Palakpakan po natin, sir.
Thank you. Janet and Jonard, congratulations and best wishes for the other secondary primary sponsors. Mga kumare, mga kumpare, good noon to all of you. Well, it's just quite tiring, driving from Midsayap at a very early morning to catch up with this event all by myself because my wife is having her office work and our son is working also, so ako na lang nag-drive. But Janet, when I received that invitation last week, I have second thoughts because, I am busy. It coincided with the enrollment in college. But I delegated my deputy to take care of the enrollment. So, well, I will not say so many things and so much. What I can only say is that I knew my family, knew your family since you were a child in the elementary or even in the preschool. No? And in fact, we are distant relatives because Manong Teddy and my cousin, they are relatives, mga Alfaro. And so we are happy that here at last with your husband, Jonard, and your little young girl who turned 1 year old last Sunday. Everybody knows now that you have entered into a contract that is not renewable, and it is not transferable either. And that is a contract that goes on forever and ever till death parts you both. But hopefully, let's not talk of death at your young age. Dapat ay madagdagan muna yung panganay niyo. Okay. Kasi hindi naman maganda isa lang. And therefore, on behalf of my own family, well, my friend there, Ruben, your first cousin, and then si Riquel, estudyante ko na family members din natin. And to everybody, I say once again, congratulations. Best wishes. Do your best. When you quarrel privately. Okay. do not let others know about it. Pero kung ang pag-aawayan nyo lang ay kung kinsa ang maglungag, dapat ikaw ang masunod. Pag ingon mo nga, ikaw ang maglungag, ikaw gyud. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not know if this is already afternoon. It's noontime. Good noon to everyone.
Thank you very much, Ninong Dr. Hector Carbon. Wonderful words. Okay, napaidungag. Lloyds? Okay, naapa. Okay, ayan. Sila na take charge siya na. Thank you very much for those wonderful words of wisdom. And now, let's go to the family of the groom. And in behalf of the Romo family, may we have the groom's uncle para sa iyang mensahe, Uncle Florencio Montebon. Palakpakan po natin, Uncle.
Alang sa kalipay sa akong pag-umangkon nga nahuman na gyud ang mao na gyud ni ang adlaw sa ilang kasal nga ikaduha na ning kasal busa kay kasal man sila sa mayor dito sa kuan karon mao na karon ang kasal nga ilang gipangandoy nga dinhi na gid ta ni ining dapita og dako kaing kalipay nga akong isabuag ngadto kanilang duha nga kining taknaa naabot sa atong kinabuhi og mao lang na.
Thank you very much. In behalf of the Romo family, the groom's family, Uncle Florencio Montebon. At tatabok ngadto sa Hunio family, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of the Hunio clan, may we have a message from the bride's mother, Madam Loretta Hunio. Palakpakan po natin. Mami?
Ay, maayong, unsa ang orasan na? Hapit na gyud paniod to, no? So, nalipay kayo migdako nga naamo ko dinhi naka-attend sa special day sa akong anak nga si Janet Honyo. Siya ang amo nga bunso. Sa iyang pakasal sa kay Junard Romo, no? So Mrs. Romo na siya karon. Murag speechless naman ko ayo, murag dili naman ko kabalo masulti. Anyway, kanang wala ko laing pangandoy para sa ilahang duha. Ang ako lang pangandoy nga unta, ha? They will succeed in their marriage, no? Successful marriage. Kay sila, 5 na sila nga managsuon. 3 ka babae, 2 ka lalaki. Ang eldest namo, babae. So naana siya sa heaven. Tapos ang pangalawa namo, si Engineer Joel Honyo. Ang pangatlo namo, Baskom namo nga gikan sa Ateneo si Jonathan Honyo. Ang pangatlo si Joanna Honyo, isa ka nurse. Tapos ang pang-apat na to. Okay, pang-apat na dito. Nagutom na gyud siguro. Unyang among yang guest mo ni si Janet, ang among nurse gihapon. So, siya na siya sa Saudi. For how many years ka naga? 10 years sa Saudi. Imagine ang iyang sakripisyo, ang amo pod nga sakripisyo o kamingaw. Pero tanan, all of that, naghatag lang gyapon sa amo og kalipay. And we are happy nga tungod sa inyong presensya karong adlaw, wala na may kabutangan sa among kalipay. So, para sa inyo, Junard o Janet, hinaot unta nga, always and forever ang inyong maayo nga pagtinagdanay nga bilang mag-asawa. So, always remember nga, kung sakali na may mga problema, naalam mi diha. Tapos, kung dili nakaganahan ni Janet, iuli lang sa amo. Ayaw lang siya pasakitan, no? Okay. Tapos, ako ginapangitang among apo, si Margo, wala pa naabot. Asan ni si Margo? Margo, please, pwede daghan kayo kag friends, daghan kag bisita dali. Maoni ang among pinalangga nga apo. Bago lang siya nag-birthday tong November 11. So, muna siya ang among miracle baby. Ha? Nakasurvive yun siya sa kaloy sa Diyos. Hello, yan siya. So, nalipay mi nga among ipa-introduce sa inyo. Ha, wala lang namo siya gidala ganina kay dili po mi gusto nga ma-stress siya. So, para sa mga nag-follow up sa Facebook, kay balo na mo sa iyang kahimtang, tapos karon nalipay mi nga naamo tanan, naka-witness na gyud mo sa kasal, pangalawang kasal. Kasi last year sa mayor sila gikasal. Karon kay ila man gyud nga damgo nga magkasal sa church. So mao na ni. Nya wala gyud mi ga-expect sa among mga visitors, sa among mga parente nga mga to pa sila kay murag kanang murag daghan kaayo bitag mga kabilinggan pero tanan nawala ang among mga kagool kay nga naman naaman gyud sila wala gyud mi nila pasagdan. So, sa tanan-tanan, to all of you, to all of us, we are very happy and thank you very much for coming. Good afternoon sa lahat.
Maayong hapon. Daghan kay kong salamat kay nakaadto mo din tanan kabalo ko dugan na kita wala nagkita. Kung magkita puta kadali kaayo. Dili pud murag hi, hello. Pero karon pati invitation ako to FB na jud na dapat informal kaayo pero thankful kay ko naabot mong tanan through FB. Salamat kay sa paghatag sa inyong time. The working day siya, napo ko'y friend from Saudi ni abot. Nag-iisa. Og sa tanan ako pamilya, sa akong mama, sa ako ang mga ninong ug ninang, sa akong friends from high school, sa college, o sa akong colleague from Saudi, daghang salamat og maayong hapon sa tanan.
Maayong hapon sa tanan. I'm very grateful to our Almighty Father na up to this point we safely came to this venue to join with us celebrating our wedding. And thank you for coming. And thank you for your generosity sa tanan nga nag-impart sa ilahang blessings. And let's enjoy this party. Hopefully, we will all go home safe through the grace of God. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jonard and Janet. May God bless you on your journey as husband and wife. We're very, very happy for you guys.
Could you see yourself growing old with me, watching my hair turn to gray? Could you live with me in my mistakes and the ones I have yet to make? So when our eyes have seen their better days and our hearing starts to fade, push your arms around my neck and your heart on my chest. I love you will still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same. Sound the same. I can see our dreams inside of a child long after ours fade away. When our ring starts to rust and our skin starts to age, remember the promise we made. Hey! So when our eyes have seen their better days and our hearing starts to fade, push your arms around my neck and your heart on my chest. I love you will still say.
Can I have the gentleman?
Christian.
Okay, everybody say hi to Christian. Hoy, Lloyda, mangkas kay ka, karon pa ka nibalik. Everybody say hello to our dalaga nga kaslo na niya. Anak sa mong batchmate. This is Carol Jan. Everybody say hello to Jan Jan. Lloyda, tanawa si Christian, may lang ipili. Okay.
Bills pile up,
And time tests our love.
we'll say forever ain't enough. We'll stick to our guns
Our grip won't loosen up.
when we say forever ain't enough. So when our eyes have seen their better days.
Okay! Christian, kiss tita Jan Jan diri dapit. Christian, kiss! Okay! Florina, ginoo ko. Okay, ikaduhang kiss! Jan Jan, okay, second kiss. Here we go. Kiss ha? Okay, Christian, kiss tita Jan Jan sa kamot. Yatag, yatag. Okay, abin akong muamin. Okay, last and final kiss. Last and final, Jonard. Sige, sa ilok. Dili day. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, kiss tita Jan Jan. Ayog lihok. Ihatag imong ilong. Ayog lihok, ha? Yeah, close your eyes. Christian! Okay, palakpakan mo natin, Christian and Jan Jan. Thank you for being good sports. You can come down now. Thank you, Christian Palanga. Thank you, Jan.
When we say forever ain't enough. So when our eyes
Leonard and Janet, kiss. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Wave goodbye to everybody, Leonard and Janet.
Still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same.